Hey everyone, welcome back. In this video, I will be showing you how to unsubscribe on YouTube Premium. So this is a very easy and quick tutorial. First, you just have to launch your YouTube application and then you have to click your profile at the bottom right corner. Now click this gear icon at the top right corner. Scroll down till you see this purchases and memberships. So once you tap this one, it will take you directly to this. Now what you're going to do below FAQ, you have to click this manage your membership. So once you tap this manage membership, what you're going to do next is to click this membership below purchases. So as you can see, premium individual membership and then the amount per month. So in order for you to unsubscribe, all you have to do is to click this one, premium. And then after that, I want to suggest that you should review everything here first. So it says here, hello, thanks for being a premium member. So individual membership and then the amount, next billing. So what you're going to do is to click this deactivate here. Now, if you want to edit bill, backup payment method, you can go to edit. But if you really want to deactivate your membership here on YouTube and unsubscribe your YouTube premium, all you have to do is to click this deactivate right here. After that, you can read the activate your membership. So before you cancel, did you know you can pause? So if you want to pause instead, so you can click this pause. It will not unsubscribe you. It will just pause everything. So need to temporarily step away, no problem. Pause your membership up to 6 months. Yes, you can. And you can resume it anytime. So if you want to pause your membership, you can click pause. But if you want to really deactivate, just deactivate your membership. As easy as that. So if you have any questions and if you have found this video helpful, please do comment down below and please do subscribe to our channel. Thank you so much for watching and see you again in our next video tutorials.